Hi. Today I am going to show web automation by filling up the form of a website Paydaydoc. First click the Open button. Then the site will automatically reach to the form submission page by entering the ID and the password by itself because of automation. Now, the page is reached. And to fill the form, click the Fill Up button. As you can see, this bot is also showing the picture of the form to be filled, corresponding to the site number of the pictures. You can go forward and backward by clicking the arrow button, and the images will change according to the numbers on the site. You can directly put the number in the Go field to directly fill or reach that form. Now by clicking the Fill button, all the necessary titles and attributes will be filled in the fields. And if you want the whole picture text to be filled, our bot can also do it in the 2.0 version. This bot is version 1.0. So guys, if you like the video, please support us by subscribing the channel, and if you want to make your own bot like this, comment us.
इंजीनियर्स को ना हल्के में ले, एक बात अपने दिमाग में डाल ले, ये मेट्रो, ये बिल्डिंग है, ये सड़क जहां तू खड़ा है, क्या बनाई है तेरे बाप ने? अपना डिग्री आएगा, अपना डिग्री आएगा, अपना डिग्री आएगा, तू अनपढ़ बेशक आया है, अपना डिग्री लेकर जाएगा।